Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn how we can log in through Google in Bubble. Okay. So for this to be happen, we first need to install the Google plugin. Well, how we can install this plugin? While going to add plugin section and then searching for Google up here, and then we need to install this plugin in order to use the Google sign-in option. And the other thing, when we go to this plugin, then this plugin asks for app secret and app ID. So how we can get these IDs? So in order to get these IDs, we need to create an account on Google Console, and like we can you can search Google Console up in the search, and then you can go to Google Cloud Console and you can create your account up here. And in order to uh, when you will be on when you have your new account, so this screen will remain empty. Then you what you need to do is you need to uh, create a new project up here. Okay. You can name your project anything what you wanted, and then you can click on create. So it's creating our new project. So we need to select this project, our new one. And in order to get those API key, what we need to do is we need to go here. Then we need to click on API and services and enable API and services. Okay. So now our first step is going to credentials. Here you can see like we do not have any client ID or anything. So we need to create credentials first, and we need to use the zeroth client ID in order to uh, use in order to get access to the user data in our application and log the user in via Google. So it says after clicking on it says like you need to configure consent screen. Then we'll select external because we need to use this app, like then it will be available to any tester with having a Google account. So we'll select the external and then click on create. So app name, we can type our app name, our support IDs, and logo is not mandatory. These fields are not mandatory. We need to add domain. In order to add, we can only use this plugin only if we have like domain pointed to our bubble app. Okay. Then we need to select email ID, save and continue, save and continue, save and continue, and back to dashboard. Okay, so we can publish this app. And then what we need to do, we need to go to credentials again. We need to click on create credentials, then zero client ID, and then we need to select the web application in order to continue. We need to add the authorized redirect URI, where you can get this from. You can get this from here. You need to just take this URL, take it, and you need to paste it on up here. Okay, and then you can add URI, and then you need to click on create.